Hello my friends, I am Claudio. I want to show you the easiest and fastest method to learn how to create your own laser designs for jeans. If you work with denim processing and want to learn more about denim laser customization, continue on to this video. I want to show a method that is useful for both the laser machine operator who wants to learn how to draw, and for the stylist who wants to create his own laser designs to put on his board and in his technical data sheet. It is also useful for the wash developer who wants to create his own designs. It works for everyone who works with denim processing. The method is as follows. I took an image editing program, like Affinity Photo for example, and made it in a way that you can use to create laser drawings by drag-drop. I give you several pre-prepared components, so you can build your drawing and still be able to make edits to these components. So let's go. This is the third video. Today we are going to make a women's shorts. The first thing is to put the background. I will choose a background for Bermuda shorts. I will use the grid to make it better. Now let's put in the folding components. Here I have a set with 7 subsets. Each subset of this has 24 folds sorted by position in the part. This first set of components I call salvage fashion laser, but I still have 11 components that can be used to create designs. Let's go to the pocket fold component. We have 24 components here. I'm going to drag this one over here and put it on this part of the part. I'm going to blur it out. Now I'm going to put a component that we call the pocket chamfer. If you watched video 1 and 2, you will notice that these components are similar up to here. All the pieces have this kind of fold. They are common to all of them. Now for the fly pleat, which is also common to all. Now the little whiskers on the bottom, this one between the fly and the bottom. Okay, I found this one interesting. I'll put just a little bit of blur. Now comes a particularity of the women's shorts. The thigh arch. This thigh arch has on men's and women's pants and men's shorts as well. I want to add an interesting effect. It is the following. I can even make this effect now. It is very realistic. I will add an ellipse, take the outline, fill it with black and give it a 100 pixel blur. I will reduce the opacity to 60. This is to take away some of the white reserves and simultaneously generate a glow here on the thigh. So that's it. I have completed the right side and grouped it together, and named it right. Now I will select everything and give a Ctrl+J to duplicate and Alt+I to mirror. The duplicated floor layer I will delete. I will modify the name of the left side. Now I will make small changes on the left side, blur a little bit this fold here, using this brush slowing down its flow so that it is less destructive. I duplicate this fold here and smudge it a little bit. I am taking some things out of place and changing some details, because I don't want it to be 100% mirrored. I want it to be 80% or 90% mirrored, because that gives it more realism. Another interesting thing that gives realism is what I will do now, put a little spot here on top of the fly. It seems silly, but when we blur and print it on the piece it gives a nice realism. I'm going to raise this fold a little bit, the bevel of the pocket, and give it a soft 3 pixel blur. I'll take the thigh arch a little bit out of place here, and I'll modify that little mustache as well. There you go. Only today we will go a little further, we will be bolder. We will put in more elements. We will put in complements. I'm going to go here and add on components and we'll see various types of add-ons. Detons, creases, patches, poppings. Let's pick some detents here. Now I'm going to duplicate them and I'm going to remove from them all the effects that are applied. Then I will take the outline and apply a black fill and move them 700 millimeters to the right.
Mas vamos continuar. A gente coloca aqui em transformação na posição X mais 700, que é para jogar as cópias para o lado. Esse lado aqui
This side here, folks, is for viewing, and this other side is the files that we will actually export.
Eu vou salvar.
First, I will save this drawing in a folder that I usually save my drawings. Okay. I will see which number is available for me. I have many drawings with their numbering in the Affinity Designer format. I will look at them to see what number I can use. Okay, I've identified it. Now I'll use this number here. Folks, the export of these files will be available for you to download at the link in the bio. There is a free download button. You can click there, and you will be directed to a site where you can download it. Here I am showing you the layers we usually work with. One layer for the part models, one layer for the drawings, another layer for the replica, the simulation, where we have the preview, and yet another layer to put the additions. When exporting, just select what is here in this area, create the layers and export. We export to the flash drive or to a folder where I can take the drawings to the laser machine. Then you also export the faded designs, i.e. the detuned ones. We are done with this video, until the next one where we will make men's Bermudas.